Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by to see what I have for you today. And today I have my American Influencer Beauty Bundle Beauty Box, the awards. This is a phenomenal box, as you can see the size of the box. And let's just get right into it. As I open the box, I will tell you a little bit about it. The American Influencer Awards Bundle is a bi-monthly box giving you access to influencer brands and products. And usually these boxes are like a brand takeover type box, which is awesome. Each bundle features a new influencer or brand. And from what I did read, they don't repeat the brand or, you know, that type of thing, which is nice. Not to, you know, like today and then 3 months from now, you're getting the same brand, which I am loving. You get 5 to 6 full-size beauty products, which consist of makeup, skincare, and hair care. And everything I've received so far with this has been phenomenal. Every bundle is valued at over $100. And I think they donate from, I don't know if they stated on the card. They donate $1 from each box purchased to a charity, which is awesome. I just forgot the name of the charity and I don't have it written down. This is $34 bi-monthly, free US shipping, and this is the August-September box. So this is what I see. There is a card right here, and this is from Jennifer Yen, creator and CEO of Purlisse. And this is what I see when I open the box. I'm so excited for this. Be strong, be beautiful, be you. Yes. And then it does give you a list of the items included with prices. Love that. So let's just get right into it. The first item here is a bag. Let's see how we open this. There has to be one of them like tapey things, no? Yes. Let's see what this is. I'll keep the card handy. So this is a makeup bag. Give your skin a burst of energy. And here's the front. And this is a canvas type material. And, you know, good size depth. You can see it opens up at the bottom. Here it is. That's really cute. You know, I have so many of these, but I would love to share that with someone. It's beautiful. Watermelon on the front, and that is the watermelon canvas cosmetic bag, and they're putting a value of $10 on it. And I'm just going to reach in. So once I take that out, this is what I see. So I'm just going to grab items one for one, and this is the pink charcoal and watermelon antioxidant face mist right here. Let me see if I can find that. Pink charcoal watermelon anti-face mist, $9.99. Refreshing, hydrating, and soothing, packed with antioxidants. And oh, it's a spray, and you can smell the watermelon. Love it. I'm so excited to try some of these products. I don't think I ever tried that. I know I've tried quite a few of Purlisse products, but not that. And the next item, this is a big tube, is the coconut oil and coffee body scrub. And that, just trying to, some of it product is displaced here, so there's not really any product here, but it's a good size tube, 6 ounces right here. Awaken skin with this coffee body scrub that exfoliates, polishes, and hydrates to leave skin feeling youthful, smooth, and luminous. $24 value. Love that. Ooh, we got another big tube, 6 ounces. This is the coconut oil and coffee silky body butter, and this is all skin types. Yes, both of these are all skin types. And this is the body butter smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes, while the coffee reinvigorates and awakens skin. $24. I wonder if there's seals on them. There are safety seals, but I can smell the coconut through that one. Coconut is a pretty strong smell. I'm surprised I don't smell coffee, because usually that. Yeah, see, I can just smell coconut through both of the seal, even still smell that. These are huge tubes. These are pretty big. Excited to have that. And what is this? Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. Oh, that's exciting. An antioxidant packed peel off mask with a marshmallow texture that works to energize, brighten, and tighten the appearance of skin. $24. And both of these tubes are $24. I don't know if I gave you the price of that one. And then what? Oh, we have something else. Pink Charcoal Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk. And this is with green tea. This sulfate-free pink charcoal and watermelon infused cleansing milk gently cleanses the skin of impurities, removes makeup tones, and soothes your skin. $9.99. And this is, how many ounces? I mean, 3.4 ounces. That's pretty, a pretty full tube too. And see, now I can smell the watermelon right through that. They all have safety seals on, but the watermelon, I could smell through that. Oh, we have, what is this right here? Is this on my paper here? This is a small little tube. I don't necessarily know if this should be. If this should be a small tube or not. So this is a small tube, and it's not showing it a small tube. Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb, lightweight oil-free gel cream that instantly energizes, refreshes, soothes skin while providing hydration. $24. This is not $24. So this should not be this size. This should be, and here you can see the box is empty. This should be full size. This should not be this size. I wish they gave ounces. This is not $24. It's going to be the full. I will look it up, the full size one. You can smell the watermelon through the seal. So I'm concerned that they put a little sample in here when it should be a full size item. So I'm loving the lotion and the scrub, and we have the peel off mask, the hydrating mist. This is a concern that it's so small. That is definitely a sample. Plus we have the bag. So here's everything in the August, September. Oops. Let me hold that up a little differently. Everything that's in there for the August, September. And this is the Purlisse American Influencer Beauty Bundle. I still love it. I think this is a great subscription to get. And I like that it's bi-monthly so that you're not overwhelmed with full-size products and you have a chance to use them and see what you think. But like I said, I'm concerned that this is a small sample and they're listing it at $24, so it should be full size. And they don't state that they give samples. 5 to 6 full-size products. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if they're including the bag is the 6 products, this extra, but they're listing this as $24. So I'll contact them and see what they say. But I've been loving this box. I'm trying to think if this is my second or my third one. I know I got June and July, so this is August. I'm not sure if I got April or May or not. I'll have to look back and see. But this is a very enjoyable box. $34 bi-monthly. I don't think it's outrageous since we're getting full-size product. So I will leave all their information down below if you're interested in signing up for this one. I think it's definitely a good box. And love that Purlisse did a takeover for this box. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments about these products, the brand. Do you like this box? Would you get it? All those good questions. And I hope everyone is doing well. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.